Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 57. We're continuing a look around San Francisco. Today we're taking a break at Wipeout Bar and Grill on Pier 39. This lively spot captures the spirit of California surf culture, with casual food, an open-air patio, and great views of the crowds passing by. It's the perfect place to just pause, relax, and enjoy the energy of Pier 39.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.